Hello, this is Seitaro. Today is February 16, 2025, Sunday. It is 12:46 noon time. Now I'm cooking lunch. Today is easy. I am boiling beef curry. And today I eat bread without rice because recently rice is so high price. It's too expensive for me. Maybe bread is cheaper than rice. I need to protect my life. Money is so important. Now I cut bread and then I cook this bread using margarine. By the way, this bread is frozen. I want to keep high quality for long days, so I keep in the under the cold place of freezer. Recently, rice is so expensive, but Japanese government decided to give us rice of long days keeping. Long days keeping. Rice of in the warehouse. 備蓄米 It is really difficult to speak English trying cooking. Cooking and English, not much for me, but I try keep. Then I use margarine or bread. よいしょ。いいですね。よいしょ。Margarine. Bread. By the way, this is pan in English word. In Japan, this is fry pan, but in English, this is pan, and this is bread in English, but in Japan, this is pan. English and Japanese difference is so interesting. Bread. Bread is beautiful. I am baking bread now using pan. And I am boiling curry. I am baking bread using pan. Black pepper and salt and powdered cheese. Wow, powdered cheese. Bake. English is rhythm language. Bake. Yes, I think Japanese language is flat, but English has a rhythm, accent, almost music, so I love English so much. But Japanese flat speaking. Yes, Japanese also have an accent, but English has much accent than Japanese. When I speak English, I feel so positive. English has a miracle power to get the positive power. When I feel negative, I use English. I love English so much. I want to show my bread. Now this is my bread. I feel good smell. Smell is but but it feels so delicious. Oh, open here. Catch. I want to try catch. Whoa, it's difficult for me. Catch. Okay, I can catch. I can. It's successful. Get the power. Strong. And I step begging. Okay, let's eat. Baked bread and curry. I feel it's so beautiful. And hotel coffee with milk. The total time of cooking is 20 minutes. I think good time. Thank you so much. Let's eat.